Hello everybody, welcome back to APES. Today we are reviewing Unit 4, which is like the Earth and the systems of the Earth. So talking about tectonic plates, soil, the atmosphere, rain shadow effect, El Nino, seasons, all of those things. Today your tasks are number one, to find your emails. So it was pointed out to me after our last session that your emails don't have the confirm button on them anymore. And so you just need to make sure that you have the email that that has your exam schedule on it. So it'll say like, AP Human, APES, AP Bio, all of your exams and their date and time. So make sure that you can locate that email and you know where it is and you know what email address it's going to. For many of you, it is not in your Heron email, it is in your personal email. So whatever email you registered with the College Board is the email that went to. So today I want you to find it and make sure that you have it. If you can't find it, check your spam filters, because I just want to make sure that you're getting that you're getting those emails, because the College Board is going to send you an entrance ticket to the AP exam. And so in order to get into the exam, you need to have access to that email address, okay? If you can't find your email, or you if you don't know what email address it got sent to, email me or stop by my office hours, 1 to 2 p.m. every day, and we'll figure it out. Okay, second thing, your tasks today. Another one-page study sheet. You guys' one-page study sheets looked great. So I think we're just going to keep that rolling. Remember, these are to help you review, right? So they're only as useful as you make them. So most of your guys' study sheets looked really awesome. So keep up the good work. The topics are on this PowerPoint. It's up on Haiku, so you can see it. If you have any questions about any of these things, or can't remember how wind works, jump onto my office hours and I'll happily help you review. The last thing for today is an FRQ. It is, I believe, the plate tectonic FRQ. I was deciding between that and soil. So plate tectonic FRQ, you may have already written it. If you have, then more practice is great, right? So you're going to write it. I want you to write it in a Google Doc and then share that Google Doc with me, and make sure that I have access to edit it, because I'm going to go through and grade them and give you feedback, and I won't be able to give you feedback if I can't edit it, okay? As always, email me if you have questions. I think Wednesday we're going to try to play another Kahoot game. You guys seem to really do great with that. So if you have something that you've turned in and I have not put in the gradebook, go ahead and email me about it, because there, with a lot of different submission platforms, there's a possibility that I may have missed something. So email me if you have questions. I hope that you guys are all doing great. I miss you all so much. Yeah, I miss you guys a lot. So I will see you later. Have a great day.